Kia ora, here's the next video. So this is a merit question, and this is just one in spotting that we've got multiples or powers of I in here. So we have to write this complex number. We basically have to simplify it to get it to be a plus bi. So we've got 4i to the 7 minus I over 1 plus 2i squared. First thing to spot is that I to the power of 7 has got I squared cubed in it. So we're looking to remove anything to do with I squared is easy to simplify out. So I squared cubed is going to be negative 1. So here we get negative 4i minus I over 1 plus 2i squared. So now looking at the numerator and denominator separately, we've got negative 5i squared. And in the denominator, this squared, I'm going to do this mentally, it's going to be 1 plus 4i minus 4. That gives me 25i squared in the numerator, or negative 25, over negative 3 plus 4i. So now we're down to a really low achieved kind of question, multiplied by the conjugate over the conjugate, and we are done. So denominator first, this times this gives me 9 plus 16. Top line, what do we get? 75 plus 100i. We should be happy with that because we've got some nice simplify-y kind of numbers. So 3 plus 4i, and we're done. Shortest video I've done in ages. There you go. One excellence question left to go from yesterday.